Public panic. The world watched with a mix of awe and anxiety as news outlets ran wild with headlines about CERN potentially creating a black hole. Social media feeds exploded with speculation, fueling a frenzy that reached far beyond the walls of any laboratory. Parents worried about their children's future, conspiracy theorists spun tales of impending doom, and even some scientists found themselves fielding questions from concerned friends and family. Petitions began circulating online, gathering thousands of signatures from people demanding the experiment be stopped. Lawsuits were filed in international courts, arguing that humanity was on the brink of unleashing a catastrophe it couldn't control. The debate wasn't just confined to science journals, it became dinner-table conversation, late-night talk show fodder, and the subject of heated arguments on radio and TV. The tension was palpable, and for many, the line between scientific possibility and science fiction seemed to blur. Yet, amid the chaos, CERN's researchers remained focused, determined to separate fact from fear. They addressed the public's concerns head-on, holding press conferences and releasing detailed safety reports. Their message was clear, the science was solid, and the risks were virtually non-existent. But the spectacle of public panic had already taken on a life of its own, transforming a groundbreaking scientific endeavor into a global drama. As the countdown to the first collisions continued, the world held its breath, gripped by a mixture of curiosity, skepticism, and a dash of existential dread.